ready.
Nowadays, driving simulation become necessity to remove your boredom at home. But how do you choose the best steering wheel within your budget? And you are very lucky today, as we will show you the Pxn V900 entry-level steering wheel that is compatible with almost every platform, including PC, Xbox, PS4, Switch, and TVBOX. So thank you to Pxn Game for sending me this item to be reviewed, and you can buy it in Lazada on the link down below. So let's unbox this and drive. So this box is about 4 kg when you purchase it. So what do you get inside the box is the thank you note by Pxn, and then V900 steering wheel quick guidance on how to use on PC, PS3, PS4, Xbox One, Switch, or even using a TV box. And then you have the user manual on how to operate these things. For backup rubber for your wheel, and also a cable for PS4, Xbox One, or you can use your own cable if you are using USB-C. Let's move to the G clamp. It is a very solid design, although it is just a plastic, and you can adjust according to your table needs. So here we go, your pedal and brake. The design very plastic. And you have the extender for your feet. This is your steering wheel. It is a very nice premium design with left and right grip and gear shift, and full of button like you are using a controller. After you attach the clamp to the steering wheel, adjust the screw and tighten with your dash. It is a very strong and suitable to play rough driving simulation, and the plastic quality looks premium to me. The wheel provide two options, which is 270 degrees and also 900 degrees. This button has the same purpose as your gamepad controller. The keypad button L1, L2, L3, R1, R2, R3, and Xbox and PS4 style button combination, and your left and right shifter. Now this is your gas and brake pedal, but it is very light and tend to slip whenever you want to push the throttle. So the solution is just hold with your leg. For the program mode, there are two functions. Click for 3 seconds until red light blinking, and click up keypad for high sensitivity or down keypad for low sensitivity. Function number 2, customizing your button mapping. 3 seconds, click until red light blinking, then click existing button. After that, click your desired button to change. Now go to the mode button. Mode button mainly function to change the default X input to D input, or based on your gaming platform, written on the Pxn V900 guideline. Share button for screenshot, and option button for select or start. For PC gaming, almost every games are compatible. Need for Speed Heat very friendly user to this wheel and less setting. Forza Horizon 4 must have the right setting to work out. Dirt 5 perfect combination with this steering, and same goes to the Euro Truck Simulator. WRC7 or Assetto Corsa, you need to have a good driving skill and a good setting on your video game.
Caution, brake, square left, 13, and right 5, long, tighten.
Car X Drift, you can drift with this, but it is hard to control the shifter at the same time. Gaming on Switch is another good option, but not every game can function well with steering, because there is a lot of buttons you have to click. The best way to play Switch is using your Joy-Con, except for Gear Club games.
The stands are over there. You might want to grab a spot to see me win.
Just hug the track.
Now don't give up! Even though you probably should.
This is the cheapest product you can get with all the features provided, such as 900 degrees to 270 degrees of turning, compatible almost every platform, adjustable key by setting on the wheel itself, but for the cons is a slippery gas pedal and need more rubber grip. For the gear shifter, clicking sound very loud, and certain games just not feel right although you have adjusted on the setting from the game itself. Overall, for entry level, this is the right choice for you. But if you want more advanced manual control, you can buy the V9 version that has the clutch and gearbox shifter. And to get more professional steering wheel, of course the price is 3 to 4 times from V9 version. So if you are interested to buy this product, just click the link down below on the description. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.